Hi everyone, welcome to Bond Bytes, the daily bond market highlights from INR bonds. And in today's market, states are borrowing very cheap for long bonds, for long maturity bonds. 25-year bonds were issued in the auction at 6.92%, which is almost equivalent to Government of India bonds, 30 to 40-year bonds, which are around 6.90% levels. So while 10-year state government bond are saw cutoff yields at 6.83 to 6% to 6.87%. So it does make sense for states to borrow very long, that is 25 to 30 years, which is equivalent to almost Government of India yields, while 10-year yields are much higher than the GSEC yields. GSEC 10-year is at around 6.32%. So this the clear arbitrage for states if they want to borrow very long. And in other markets, government bond yields fall. GSECs fell in sympathy with the rise in volatility in risk assets. Today in the equity market, we saw volatility with Sensex and Nifty up during the day, then closing negative. And the rupee also weakened marginally. And this is largely because of the worries of many countries going into lockdowns on the new strain of COVID virus. And in the inflation front, Eurozone inflation came in for November at 4.9%, largely driven by energy costs. And again, the target for the ECB is around 2%. And clearly, will they start to normalize policy at high rates, especially with many European countries going to lockdown? Difficult. So difficult times for Eurozone ahead with rising costs, but very low rates and lockdowns causing a lot of hardships, economic hardships. Thank you very much. And do not forget to come into our Quick Invest digital retail platform. You can see our curated list of bonds, take all the information, our proprietary information as well. Then look to select the bond that is right for you and see the and invest with utmost transparency and seamless investment process. And the link to Quick Invest is given in the description below. And if you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so. And thank you very much for listening in.